Okay, now this is one of the numerical based on first order reaction. The question is so that the time required for 99% completion of a first order reaction is 10 times more than the time required for 50% completion. So what is the meaning of this? Suppose this is a first order reaction, A is the reactant, P is the product. To complete 50% completion of the reaction, for the completion of 50%, suppose time required is 1 hour. 50% complete करने के लिए time चाहिए 1 hour. Now, to complete 99.9%, the time required 10 times more than this. The time will be required 10 hours. Now you have to prove it. For a first order reaction, the time required for 99.9% completion of a reaction is 10 times more than the time required for 50% completion. So how do prove it? So we'll prove it from the integrated rate equation. But here the question is not given 100%, it is given 99.9%. Why it is given like this? Because you know a first order reaction never undergo 100% completion, and that is why it is given 99.9%. In last class I have proved it, a first order reaction never undergo completion. That's why it is given 99.9%. So I'll do it. Since it is a first order reaction, so we'll apply the integrated rate equation for first order. K is equal 2.303 divided by T log of A naught divided by A. This is the integrated rate equation for first order reaction. So we have to determine mainly time. So time is equal 2.303 divided by K will come here log of initial concentration by present concentration of the reactant. So this is equal 2.303. We don't know about the K value, so K will remain K log of initial concentration. Since it is given percentage 99.9%, 50%, so the initial will be 100. Starting will be 100. So initial concentration 100. So first time I will determine the time for 99.9%. So 99.9% complete means how much percent remain to complete? Only 0.1%. So what is the amount of reactant left? It will be only 0.1. So in starting concentration is 100. Now the present concentration is 0.1. Why it is 0.1? Because already 99.9% reaction complete. So 99.9% reactant going on decreasing. So it will remain only 0.1. So that means time is equal 99.9 time for 99.9%. This is equal 2.303 divided by K log of 10 square. This is 10 to the power minus 1. So resultant will be 10 to the power 3. That means T of 99.9%. This is equal 2.303 divided by K log of 10 to the power 3 means 3. You will get 6.909 divided by K. So this is the time required for 99.9%. You remain it like this because you don't know the value of rate constant K. Again, I will determine time for 50%. So this is equal 2.303 divided by K log of initial is 100. 50% means present concentration will be 50, already 50% complete, so 50 remain here, so 100 by 50. This is equal 2.303 divided by K, you will get log 2. So 2.303 log 2 value is 0.3010 divided by K. Ultimately you will get 0.693 divided by K. So this is the time for 99.9%, this is the time for 50%. Now I will find out the ratio. Time of 99.9% divided by time of 50%, this is equal 6.909 divided by K, and 50% time is 0.693 divided by K. After doing this you will get 10. So therefore time for 99.9% this is equal 10 into time for 50%. So this is proved. I mean the time required for 99.9% is equal to 10 times more than the time required for 50% completion. So just you have to prove it. So this is the question. So the time required for 99.9% completion of a first order reaction is 10 times more than the time required for 50% completion. Like this way you can prove it. Push.
Okay.
Okay, this is another question. The rate constant for the first order reaction is 60 second inverse. How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16 value? So this is also first order reaction. The value of rate constant is given. The value of rate constant K is given. This is called rate constant. It is given 60 second inverse. So what you have to determine? You have to determine the time to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16 value. So as you know, the integrated rate equation K is equal 2.303 divided by T log of initial concentration of the reactant divided by the present concentration of the reactant. So since you have to determine time, so T is equal 2.303 divided by K log of, so initial is how much? A naught divided by, what is the present concentration? Reduce the concentration of the reactant, initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16 value, that means it will be A naught by 16. I mean the present concentration is A naught by 16. So time is equal, you can write 2.303 divided by K. You can write this like this. If you consider initial as 1, then present will be 1/16. You can write like this way also, you will get same answer. 2.303 by K log of, it will remain A naught will be cancelled, you will get log of 16. So T is equal 2.303 divided by, K value you know na, K value 60 into log of, see log 16 means you can write log 4 square. So 2.303 divided by 60, you can write 2 log 4. So this is equal 2.303 divided by 60 into 2 into log 4 value 0.6020. After calculation of this, you will get 0.046 second. Why the unit comes second? Because the rate constant value is given in second inverse, so the resultant unit comes to second. So the time required to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16 value, the time is 0.046 second. So like this way, by applying the integrated rate equation, you can find out the time. Thank you.